Welcome to our channel today. We'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to activate your Venmo debit card so you can start using it right away. Welcome to our channel. If you've just received your Venmo debit card and are wondering how to activate it fast and hassle-free, you're in the right place. Activating your Venmo card is a quick process that lets you access your funds for everyday purchases instantly. Follow these simple steps to get started. First, make sure you have your Venmo app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once logged in, navigate to the Venmo card section usually found in the main menu or the Wallet tab. Here, find the option labeled Activate Card. Tap on it to begin the activation process. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your Venmo card when prompted. This verifies that you own the card you are trying to activate. After inputting this information, you will need to enter your date of birth and the security code found on the back of your card. This extra layer helps protect your account and ensures security during activation. Once all required information is provided, submit your activation request. The system will confirm your details, and your Venmo debit card will be activated within moments. You might receive a notification confirming successful activation. After activation, you can use your Venmo debit card for shopping in stores, online purchases, or withdrawing cash at ATMs that accept MasterCard. Always remember to keep your app updated for the best experience and security features. If you encounter any problems during activation, Venmo's customer support is available to assist you through chat or email. Activating your Venmo debit card has never been easier, and with these steps, you'll be ready to tap and pay in no time. Don't forget to explore the app for features that help you manage your card, view transactions, and receive instant alerts on purchases. By following this straightforward guide, you'll unlock the full convenience of your Venmo debit card quickly and safely. Make sure to keep your card information confidential to protect against unauthorized use. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made your activation process smooth and simple. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you won't miss more useful tips and tricks about managing your money efficiently.